This is the hydroponic system test that we built. We've had it running for a few months now. These are bell peppers. We got the seeds from the grocery store pepper when we were done eating it. We saved the seeds, we grew them into seedlings, and then we built this system, and I 3D printed some net cups with some clay pellets to go in there. And we set up the pump, and I've been pumping water through this now, and we've got peppers growing now. So overall it's a success. Learned a couple things. Number one, you'll notice some of these cups have fallen in and broken. So the 3D printing model was pretty thin. This is all printed in PLA, which will break down in nature. It's not the plastic that needs to be recycled. I had another model that I printed out, which I designed, and it lasted. It's doing quite a bit better. It's kind of pushed out because the root system underneath is pretty significant for this plant. This is the one that's got 2 peppers right now on it, and up here you can see the little flowers that are getting ready to bloom, and those will turn into peppers eventually. This one's also got 2 on it. This one's got 1 and working on a second one. Some of them don't have any yet, but they're coming soon. Today I had to add these dowel rod and string supports because they were not standing up straight. We knew that was going to happen. I was putting off adding these on, but it was time. So we added those on. Hopefully this will support the weight of the peppers. I just drilled a hole into the end of the tubes here and put a dowel rod in. This is the water that we're pumping through. I just got a tub from the hardware store. I've got some tubing that connects to a pump. I think it's max height that it can pump to is 7 feet, and this up here is where the water comes in. It's about 5 feet, so that's working out fine. I also read that aerating the water helped with the growth, and so I have an aerator and a little fish pump down underneath here. But the way this fits in here, you just put the pump and the air stones in and put the lid back on and then lock it down. And then, and look in here, you can see, let's see if we can see it. There's some roots growing out here from the nearest plant. You can see that there's water sitting in there, so even with the pump off, they're still getting quite a bit of water. I just changed the water here. I added some new growth nutrients. I'll show you that in a minute, but I added some new growth nutrients to the water, and I'm setting this back up. So now this is plumbed, goes directly into the tub, and I'll go plug it back in. We've got a little electric meter on here to tell me how much power we're drawing, because Joy was asking how much electricity this is taking, so now I can tell her. You come back over here, so the pump started, and I can hear the water running through already. That's it. Hopefully in another couple weeks we'll be able to harvest some peppers.